kids and the wife at home, it still just feels like I'm all alone. Someday there'll be a field of plenty that was meant for me to tend. We'll sleep with eider down, cut the bread and pass the jug around, my friend. But until that day, we can only pray, pray for rain. We pray for rain. My hands are cracked from working the land. My back is bent, it's hard to stand. Just like my father and his one before, trying to find a living, nothing more. Someday there'll be no more fallen angels, just a place for me to spend quiet time alone, where the sunlight finds me, a place that I call home, my friend. But until that day, we can only pray, pray for rain. We pray for rain. Hope and a prayer are not a lot, but hope and prayer are all we've got. Someday there'll be a heavenly choir that was